This security bulletin addresses a critical vulnerability in IBM Personal Communications PCOMM version 15.0.1, which includes a Windows service susceptible to remote code execution (RCE) and local privilege escalation (LP). The vulnerability permits unprivileged users with network access to execute commands with full privileges, posing a significant risk for system compromise. Affected versions include PCOMM 14.0.6 and 15.0.1. To mitigate this issue, users are advised to upgrade to the fixed versions, PCOMM v14 0.7 and v15.0.2 respectively. No workarounds or mitigations are available at this time. Stay informed about future security bulletins by subscribing to notifications. For further details, refer to the provided references and links. This concludes the summary of the security bulletin regarding the RCE issue in IBM PCOMM service. Stay vigilant, stay secure.